Now, after completing fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we have the application of that theorem, HCF and LCM of two positive integers. There is a relation between HCF, LCM and the product of two integers. Because you are very much acquainted with how to find out HCF of two integers and LCM of two integers. Now we have this formula, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two given positive integers. We can use formula to find any one of these things if we know two out of these three, right? So for this purpose I have written this remark as well. To find the LCM of two positive integers a and b, we can also use the following result. LCM of AB is equal to product of AB upon HCF of AB. Now on the basis of fundamental theorem and this formula, we are starting our exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Its part, first of all I am taking first part, which is very simple, but we are starting with the first one. We have to express each number as a product of prime factors. So what we are going to do with this number? We are going to start the factorization. 140. First prime number will be 2. So do it with me. 2 sevens are 14. Now again 2 35. Once again, as it is not divisible by 3 and 2, so we will take 5. 7s are 35. Now all these are primes, so we can express 140 as the product of primes. So 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, or 2 raised to the power 2 into 5 into 7. Hence the answer is this one. Now for you I am doing the third part, right? The third part is, I am taking the digit 7,429, right? Do it. Neither it is divisible by 2 nor by 3. You all are aware about the divisibility test. अगर इवन नंबर है तो 2 से डिविजिबल होगा, अगर सम 3 से डिविजिबल है तो 3 से होगा, लास्ट की 2 डिजिट अगर डिविजिबल हैं तो 4 से डिवाइड होगा. इन सच सीरीज इफ आई चेक दिस नंबर, इट इज divisible by only 17, which will be its first prime number. So for these kind of digit, student, you have to check the divisibility test, otherwise ये आपके लिए थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है, बिकॉज आप बार बार उसको डिवाइड करके देखोगे. बेटर है आप इसको पहले 2 से देखो, उसके बाद आपको जितने भी डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट सिखाए गए हैं वो सब आप इस पे अप्लाई करो, राइट? क्योंकि बड़ी डिजिट होती हैं एंड इट विल बी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू टू सॉल्व. सो दिस इज़ 437, right? 437. Rest again, this is also such kind of number which is neither divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. We will go with 19. So all these will be prime numbers. So it can be expressed as the, hence आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे? 7429 is the product of 17 into 19 into 23. These three prime numbers are there, right? This is first kind of question which were based on fundamental theorem. Now we are coming forward for next type of questions. First of all, I am emphasizing only on your NCERT book. So you have to follow that book only if you have. Otherwise, you can download the PDF to solve these questions. Or I am also giving you with question number and parts as well. Right? So now, next type of question. This is question number 2. And I am taking, I will take first part. Right? Once again. The question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers and verify that formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Right? So first part is given is 26 and 91. So 26 will be factorized and 91 will be factorized. So 21 is the product of 2 13s and 91 is a product of 7 into 13s. So therefore, you know what is the HCF, which is common highest factor. So HCF of 26 and 91 is equal to 13, right? And what is LCM? Including HCF, we have to utilize rest digits also. So 13 into 2 into 7 will be the LCM. And what will be the product? 14 into 13, which is 182, right? So in your hand, HCF, LCM, both the things are there and you have to verify now. First thing we have already done, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers. That is done here. Now we have to verify. So write verification. Verification के लिए we have to use this formula HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So HCF क्या आया था हमारा 13, LCM is 182 and numbers were 26 and 91. So do the product and what you are going to get? You are going to get 2366, both the sides, 2366, right? So hence verified. This is second question. First part we have done. This is second type of question of this exercise. Let's take one more part for this. I am taking third part, right? Third part is 510 and 92. So कैसे करेंगे अब? अगेन HCF LCM निकालेंगे हम 510 का और 92 फैक्टर्स करेंगे. व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 510 के फैक्टर्स क्या आएंगे दैट यू मस्ट नो. और शैल आई डू इट हेयर? नो, आई एम नॉट डूइंग. आई वांट टू चेक हाउ you will do. You must know how to find the LCM 510 and then you will get the prime numbers here. So you will get 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, right? And 92 के लिए we are getting 2 into 2 into 23. So इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 2 square into 23. Now LCM and HCF. Find HCF of 510 and 92. So what will be your answer? Which is the common highest number? Common highest number is what? Only 2. And for LCM, rest of the things will be multiply. 510 and 92 का LCM होगा 2 square into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. जैसे आपको पता है कि we have to take all remaining digits in LCM. 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. This is the answer. And what we have to check, that their product must be equal to the product of 510 into 92. Check it. Verification. HCF into LCM. Check product of 2 digit 510 into 92. Let's come to the next page. HCF was 2 and your LCM is 2, 3, 4, 6, 0 is equal to product is 510 into 92. So what you are going to get? Multiply. It is simple multiplication. So you are going to get 46920. Similarly, here also 46920. Hence verified. So we have done 2 types of question. Now last type of question will be like this. I'm taking question number 5. Right? Listen, after this question number 3 is based on LCM HCF only. You can easily find out HCF LCM, but product of 3 digit never be equal to the HCF and LCM of these 3 digits, right? So go for that. So check whether 6 raised to the power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number. This is number n. This is the question कि हमें चेक करना है कि 6 रेज़ टू द पावर n, जहाँ पर n कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर है, वो एंड होगा विद डिजिट 0, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. वाई इज़ इट नॉट पॉसिबल? किसी भी नंबर का अगर हम स्प्लिट करते हैं इन प्राइम नंबर्स और उसमें 2 और 5 का प्रोडक्ट नहीं आता, यानी कि 10 नहीं आता, दैट मीन्स दैट नंबर कैन नॉट बी एंड विथ 0. सिमिलरली 6 के जो प्रोडक्ट होंगे, प्राइम फैक्टर्स होंगे, दैट विल बी 2 and 5 only. Sorry, 2 and 3 only. 2 3s are 6. So 5 is missing here to get 10. Therefore, it will never end with 10. So let's see the solution, how to solve it. For any n, if the number 6 raised to the power n ends in the digit 0, then it is divisible by 10. and 10 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स क्या होते हैं? दैट इज 2 into 5. So what does it implies? It implies that 6 raised to power n should be equal to 10 into p, right? 6 raised to power n is equal to 10 into p. और 6 के फैक्टर्स क्या हैं? 2 into 3 raised to the power n, and here it is 2 into 5 into p, right? So 6 raised to power n should be the multiple of 10, but here what is missing? 5. 5 is a prime factor, is it? This implies that 5 is the prime factor of 2 raised to power n into 3 raised to power n, which is not possible, which is not possible, as 6 raised to the power n can have only 2n 3 prime factors. So answer is, hence there is no n जो नेचुरल नंबर में बिलोंग करेगा, या नेचुरल, ये बिलोंग्स टू का साइन होता है, बिलोंग्स टू, n बिलोंग्स टू n, इट मीन्स जो n है वो नेचुरल नंबर में है, फॉर विच 6 की पावर n कैन एंड विद डिजिट 0. इट मीन्स यहाँ पर कोई भी ऐसा नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है जिसके लिए 6 की पावर n 0 पर एंड हो सके. ओके, दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माई साइड फॉर टुडे. आई विल गिव यू homework from 1.2 exercise, and I will show you with the help of my register the solution of classwork as well, right? Thank you. Bye bye. See you.